this video, I will be doing a POV of the Zhiyun Crane M3 Gimbal. So that POV stands for point of view. I didn't have much time tonight because it was nighttime. So I will be showing you a couple of modes for the ones who may be on the fence if they want to get a gimbal or not. I suggest you get one if you're a content creator, photographer, videographer, anything on that line, get one. So before you start your gimbal, I suggest that you calibrate it. So basically it got an auto calibration, as you see it having this little shaking moment there, and after that you're good to go. You want to do that is it counterbalance the gimbal, so you could be good to go. So I'll be doing a couple of modes. I only could do a couple tonight. So the mode you're seeing here is called the pan mode or the follow mode. So I'm just showing you what the gimbal do, how responsive it is, how it can take your content to the next level. Mine do a couple of modes because the park was about to close and it was dark, so couldn't really do many things. This is only part one. I'm gonna do 2 more parts. Make sure it's daytime the next time. This mode here is called the Inception mode or Vortex mode. And you see it's here, and it puts a real good effect on your video. You can be real creative with these gimbals. They use these gimbals in movies, music videos, commercials. You will be amazed. This mode here that I'm about to do is for TikTok. TikTok peoples will love this. This is called the portrait mode. If you're a portrait lover, then you will love this mode here. Like I said, this thing have about 10 modes. Do I have 10 modes? Maybe about 8, somewhere around there. But you get the drift, right? You got a lot of modes. So if you can create a nice monologue or whatever you may want to do with this, I don't know what to tell you. But it is great to have. I'm gonna go into another setting. So this setting here is gonna turn around and shoot at me. We call that the selfie mode. So, I just done that just for the sake of the video, of course, just to show you how responsive it's been around. This thing is real responsive, and you see the quality of the camera that I have, which is the Sony ZV-E10. I've done a video on that already. The reason I mentioned that is because if you have a compact camera, then this particular gimbal, the Crane M3, is for that. And the Sony ZV-E10 is a compact camera. If you have a bigger camera, then you may want to get another gimbal, and that's the purpose of me saying that. So the mode that you see me doing here, I'm just going up and I'm going to come down that pole. The shaking you seeing, that's not the gimbal, that's me, because I didn't turn on the lock function on the gimbal because I was rushing, and I ended it out with another Vortex or Inception. Hit that subscribe button for me if you don't mind. Leave a comment, share, subscribe. Hey, look here, I want to see or hear or read what gimbal you got if you have one. I'm out of here. Until then, y'all have a great one.